early morning and we have Karthik with us. Karthik, are you used to mornings, early morning?
Yeah,
Are you a morning person?
I became a morning person because of Chandu Champion. I wasn't one before that, and but I'm really happy that I turned into this person.
And today I didn't expect so many people, Karthik. I was amazed. Sunday, so many people.
नहीं सुबह सुबह एक्चुअली मैं अभी वही बोल रहा था कि ट्रैफिक हो रखा था यहाँ पर मैं ये भी देख रहा था कुछ लोग इतनी दूर वॉक करने के लिए भी आए थे अपनी गाड़ियों से सो आई वाज रियली रियली हैप्पी टू सी दैट एंड इतने सारे लोग जहाँ तक नज़र जा रही है बस लोग ही लोग हैं और वो सिर्फ वॉक करने यहाँ पे हैं बच्चे आए हैं बड़े आए हैं एंड इट्स जस्ट सो हार्टनिंग टू सी दिस
You know, have you always been a fitness freak? We should not call a freak, but always enthusiast or fitness enthusiast, or did it start after Chandu Champion?
It mostly did. I was always training, doing a bit of workouts. I was into sports. I used to play lots of sports actually, primarily football. उसके अलावा cricket also. But कभी भी इतना fitness की तरफ इतने ज़्यादा रुझान नहीं था जितना चंदू चैंपियन के बाद हुआ. I think because of that, last 3-4 years have been like totally into fitness. So you can call me a fitness freak now.
Yes. But also walking, you know, because we are at a walkathon, walking is very understated, but it's a great way of working out, right? Have you ever tried it personally when maybe you are not in the country?
My house, you will see everybody walking. From my mom to Katori, everybody is just walking all the time, and no everybody, and I have gotten into this habit of walking because of my mom actually, because she really वो हमेशा count किए बगैर भी I think she used to do like 15-20,000 steps and she still does that. So वो हमारे घर पे ये पूरे टाइम शुरू से रहा है. So I think that's why कहीं ना कहीं एक थोड़ा सा fit रहते हैं सबके सब, and it's all because of walking.
That's absolutely correct. But when you are going out there to walk, what is your one thing that you keep in mind? What shoes you have to wear? What kind of shoes? If you have to tell our people, what is that one thing they have to keep in mind when they are buying their shoes?
I think it has to be comfortable and I think primarily जो भी shoes हो वो there are running shoes, there are walking shoes specifically उसके लिए बने होते हैं. Specifically कई बार ऐसे shoes हो जाते हैं जो आपके एक हाथ सोल हो जाता है and it's not good for you at that point of time. But you have to really ask the vendor जिससे जब आप खरीद रहे हो, because I can only suggest कि ये ना हो वो ना हो, but they would know कि क्या चीज़ बेस्ट है. But बेस्ट चीज़ जो है वो है कि Skechers के जूते खरीदने चाहिए. उन्होंने वॉकिंग के लिए जो शूज़ बनाए हैं वो बेस्ट बनाए हैं. So
Okay, I have a quick rapid fire.
एक्चुअली इनका वो भी है ना, पेटेंट है ना ये. Skechers का पेटेंट कौन सा है? हाँ, नहीं विद वॉकिंग ऑल्सो उनका है कुछ. हाँ, गो वॉक्स बाय Skechers. आई थिंक ये भी इनका पेटेंट है. सो उन्होंने स्पेसिफिकली ये वॉक करने के लिए शूज़ बनाए हैं.
Great. Okay, I have a quick rapid fire. Early morning,
बनाते ही होंगे बट वॉक के लिए.
early morning workout or late night workout?
जब टाइम मिले एक्चुअली. मेरा एक्चुअली मिड टाइम होता है. अर्ली भी नहीं होता, लेट भी नहीं होता, आफ्टरनून होता है. 12 और 11 टेक्निकली.
Okay.
हाँ,
Cheat day meal, pizza or pani puri?
दोनों जो मूड किया. चीट डे में तो जो मूड किया वो खाने का ना.
Usually, what's your favorite?
छोले भटूरे या फिर पानी पूरी है ऑफ कोर्स. या
Walkathon partner you would love to walk with? Don't say Katori.
अनन्या.
Okay.
Yeah, she was not walking only. She was not ready to walk today. मैं बोला कि ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं, वॉक करते हैं. She was saying मेरा गला खराब है, but it didn't make sense. Yeah.
गला खराब है, walk नहीं करना है हमें. One song that instantly gets you moving.
Instantly gets me moving. कोई ऑप्शन कुछ
यार अपना कोई गाना बता दो.
मैं अपना. अच्छा हाँ, तू है चैंपियन.
Okay, gym selfie or post walk glow?
Sorry.
Gym selfie or a post walk glow pic? कोई पूछ.
Walk low pic. What is that?
Karthik,
What is that?
after you walk, you know your face glows.
Glow. मैं walk low. अच्छा. I think the sun. Yeah. After walk selfie.
Okay.
Glow pic. Yeah. Walk glow pic. Yeah.
Okay, sneakers you would never part with.
Skechers. Go walk.
Amazing. Okay. Who's more likely to skip a workout, you or your co-star, Ananya?
I don't think so. Even she'll skip it. Both of us won't.
But you like working out.
Yeah, I love working out now. I love working out. No, it's not just about the weights and stuff. It's more to do with because I love doing strength training or maybe some sports, anything to do with fitness. I think I call it a workout. Yeah.
Okay. One film role that you got you in your best shape. I know the answer. Chandu Champion.
Yeah, Chandu Champion. Yeah, of course.
You went out there and you did it.
Yeah. I think Kabir sir has a lot of input and lot of effort जिनकी वजह से मुझे एक वो प्रिंसिपल टीचर की तरह वो पीछे पड़े रहते थे उनकी वजह से बहुत कुछ ऐसा चेंज आया मेरे में एंड मेरे थॉट प्रोसेस में भी
Okay, Christmas release pressure. ये Christmas तो special है.
बहुत स्पेशल है एंड कोई प्रेशर नहीं है इनफैक्ट ये तो ब्लेसिंग्स है एंड सेलिब्रेटरी मूड पे हैं सब लोग उस टाइम सब लोग ऑडियंस भी होती है सेलिब्रेटरी मूड पे एंड आई थिंक दे आर गोना हैव फन विद तू मेरी मैं तेरा तू मेरी
Perfect. Thank you so much, Karthik.
थैंक यू सो मच
The amount of people who have turned up for this walkathon and Ananya is here. Early morning. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's still night for me, it feels like, but good morning, good morning.
You look fresh. So, yeah.
I try. It's honestly Skechers. I'm here for Skechers. I was very sleepy when I entered, but then when I saw the energy of the people, it's really hard to not, kind of feel that energy back. It's amazing the way people show up, all ages, everyone shows up. And I was here last year as well, and I feel like every year I come, more and more people keep joining, and it's amazing the community spirit. I love it.
Absolutely. And are you a morning person?
Do I look like a morning person? I wasn't. I've become. I think I've with age I've become a morning person.
With age. Ananya is talking about age in front of me.
Since I turned 27 last week, I've become a morning person now. Yeah, in the last 3 days.
But what do you prefer? Working out in the morning or in the evening?
In the morning for sure, because every time I schedule a workout in the evening, I end up procrastinating. I personally think the best time to work out is in the morning.
But have you always been this fit? When did that click that, oh my God, is it my career that will I have to be fit or just well-being?
Honestly, it's been a changing relationship. My dad is someone who's very, very fit. He works out, like he swims every single day of his life. And with him, I realized that there's not just one form of fitness. You don't have to just go to the gym or lift weights or do what someone else is doing. You have to find what works for you. You have to enjoy your workouts. First I used to hate going to the gym. I used to feel like it's a big chore, but I found fun in fitness now, and so my relationship has really changed. And now if I don't work out, I feel really, really weird. Like I need to do 20 minutes of some sort of movement every single day.
Walking is the easiest way and people don't talk much about it. But have you ever tried going jogging? Maybe when you can't, Ananya Pandey. But when you are not in India, maybe.
I'm really not much of a jogger, but I'm more of a walker. I love walking. Every time I'm on the phone, I walk. It's like I can't sit and talk on the phone. I have to, I have to stand up and walk. Like something happens to me when I get a phone call, I have to stand up and walk. And it's the easiest form, as you said, of working out. You can do it anywhere. You can do it at any time. Even on set, I try as much to walk around as possible. When I'm traveling, I walk instead of taking a car or a taxi. I walk as much as possible. It's really the most easy form of working out, and it's so good for you. And I think Skechers, by encouraging that, is doing such a good job.
Okay, I'm going to do a quick rapid fire with you, okay? Early morning workout or late night workouts?
Early morning workout.
Cheat day meal, pizza or pani puri?
Oh my God, that's that stuff. I was just at my best friend's Indian wedding, so
I
we
know
had
that.
a lot of pani puri. So I'm in a pani puri zone right now.
And you were looking so good.
Thank you.
Okay, walkathon partner you would love to walk with?
I'm here with Karthik and he talks non-stop. So it's good fun then, yeah.
Song that instantly comes into your head when you're moving?
I like to move it. Yeah, that just came to my mind right now. Yeah.
Okay, gym selfie or post-walk glow pic?
Post-walk glow pic.
Oh, yes, forever. Okay, sneakers you would never part with?
I think my slip-ons, my Skechers slip-ins. Well, I'll take that again. My Skechers slip-ins, because they're so fuss-free. You don't even have to use your hands. You can just slip them on and you can walk anywhere and everywhere. So I love that.
And they're good for your feet?
They're amazing. They're so comfortable. They're so cute looking also. So yeah, I love that.
Perfect. Okay. Who's more likely to skip a workout, you or your co-star?
Karthik. We're both actually very, very good. Like we were shooting for our film in Croatia right now, and both of us after shoot would like go to the gym and we look at each other and be like, we're so tired, but we're here and we're motivating each other. So I don't think either of us. Yeah.
Okay. One film role that got you in your best shape ever.
This one, Tu Meri Main Tera. I really had to work out for it. I hope I've done a good job. And you're like me at my fittest.
Wow. Okay. Any pressure for the Christmas release?
No, I just a lot of fun. We made this film with a lot of fun, with a lot of heart, and I'm working with Karthik again after 6 years. He's so much fun. We have so much fun together. It's like honestly feels like coming back home in a way because we're so comfortable with each other. And Christmas is all about joy and love and family. So we would just hope everyone celebrates the film with us on Christmas.
Perfect. Thank you, Ananya, and thank you for joining on NTV.
Thank you for having me. Now I'm gonna go walk. Bye. See you then.